We all have foods we think are safe, meals we assume are healthy because of the base ingredients, but processing changes everything. Today, we're not just comparing meals, we're exposing how the way food is processed can turn a safe choice into a metabolic trigger. You need to see the hidden patterns. When you eat a meal with carbs, your glucose rises. That's normal. But here's the key: how fast it rises determines what happens to your energy next. In a healthy response, glucose rises gradually and your pancreas responds calmly. Everything stays stable. You feel steady and focused. But when processing adds refined carbs or inflammatory oils, your glucose can spike fast. Your body panics, dumping insulin to handle the crisis. That spike leads to a hard, fast crash. Your energy plummets, your focus disappears, and your body starts screaming for more quick energy. This is the glucose roller coaster. It's a cycle of spikes and crashes that locks your body into fat storage and metabolic stress. The danger is that we often think we're avoiding this roller coaster by picking the right protein. But look at what happens when that safe food is processed. Take chicken, pure protein, but when you wrap it in refined flour and deep fry it in seed oils, you fundamentally changed its metabolic character. When I log this processed version in glucose spike, we see the hidden cost. Clean protein is now hidden under a layer of metabolic triggers. A glucose score of 4. This tells us the processing has turned a healthy base ingredient into a meal that will likely crash your energy. Now look at the same protein but grilled. No refined coating, no inflammatory oils. This is the food's raw potential working for you. In glucose spike, the difference is undeniable. When we remove the processing, we reveal the true stability of the protein. A perfect score of 10. This isn't just about chicken, it's about the difference between a meal that supports you and one that destabilizes you. This is why we must double check our assumptions. You might feel foggy and think you're just tired when you're actually paying for a hidden processing variable. The missing piece isn't willpower, it's data. Pattern discovery lets you see exactly how your body responds to processing methods, not just ingredients. Once you know your pattern, you make better choices naturally because you literally feel better. You're choosing energy over the roller coaster. Stop guessing and start double checking. Download Glucose Spike, log a few meals, and see your own hidden triggers. The rest is easy. Thanks for watching. What's a healthy food you've double checked and found was a trigger? Let me know in the comments. Take care.